All right, in this video, we're going to talk about bait stamping. Bait stamping gives every page in a document a unique ID. Think of it as a fingerprint for that page. It's used in litigation to keep documents organized, trackable, and kind of tamper-proof. When you're dealing with hundreds, potentially thousands of pages, during discovery, you need a way to reference a particular page and save everyone a lot of time saying, go to this document, then go to this page, and so on. So you could say something like, go to JL 12. The benefits are that this is precise and it's consistent and it's transparent. So everyone from lawyers, clients, and court know exactly which page out of all the pages is being referenced. Now doing a document production and doing this bait stamp is something that CaseMap Plus can help you with. So the first thing you want to do is organize your documents in a set way. Maybe you want to organize them by date and time. Then you simply select all your documents, and you could deselect the ones you don't want. And then you can simply go to document production up here, click that. And here you have the option to set up a prefix and indicate how many digits, the size of the stamp, the location of the stamp. I highly recommend you shrink it, because if this, maybe it's a picture and it's got a black border and your stamp will not be visible. So if you shrink it, it will be in the top corner. You can, of course, add a header or footer. You can make all documents black and white. You can choose the output. We're going to keep this as beginning baits. And there's my order of my documents. And if I want something in a different order, I can always tweak that order before reviewing it. On review, you're again having a chance to confirm the information, where your bait stamp is and all the settings, and then you simply hit produce documents. You'll get this message that we're working on it. And what will happen is you will see that this column will get filled out, and you will see this go red, indicating the task is complete. Now, to save time here, what I've done is I've just gone ahead and I've already run the document production. So here's what you get. You get a zip folder in my downloads. When I open that up, I get all of the different bait stamps. And say, again, I was looking for, in my example, I said JL 12. So I know that if I go to 11, the next page is 12. So there is my example here. If I scroll over, there's JL 11 and there's JL 12. So we can reference an actual page out of the whole document set. And that's really, really useful. And I wanted to show you that. Now, if I go back, now you can see the little bell. So when I click on the little bell, I would have the option to download that as a zip file. It will expire, but it's usually 30 or so days out in advance that this stays there. Of course, if I refresh my page, so let me go away from documents and come back to documents, you will see the bait stamp listed right there. And I can go in and scroll through and find or search for a particular bait stamp. So I can definitely use the tools to go ahead and find a particular page. If I open up the document itself, the bait stamp will be listed in the top corner of that particular page. So if I had a different page, the moment I switch the page, it would show JL maybe 43 or whatnot. This just happens to be a one-page document. That's bait stamping in short order.